If you use apps like Cashapp, Venmo, PayPal, and others, it could affect your taxes next year. And we're going to talk about that coming up.
Stay tuned.
Hey, I'm Tyler.
Hey, I'm Ty, and we're from hisandhermoney.com,
where we're helping you to take dominion over your money and your life. This video is being brought to you by Legal & General America. Legal & General America is the leader in low-cost term life insurance.
For nearly 70 years, Legal & General America has been providing financial protection to over 1.3 million families and businesses.
LGA makes understanding and applying for life insurance easy.
You can get a free quote by simply going to hisandhermoney.com/LGA.
Well, guys, breaking news, there are some major changes coming that affect the users of apps like Cash App, Venmo, PayPal, Apple Pay, and others of the like. Because inside of the plan that we got a few months ago that gave us things like stimulus checks, child tax credits, in that same bill,
The American Rescue Plan.
the American Rescue Plan was something that was going to now take place beginning on January 1st, 2022.
Now, I'm sure that everybody is familiar with third-party payment apps such as your PayPal, your Venmo. We probably all use them currently. Now, if you're using it for goods and services, which means that you're actually running a business or even a side hustle, and you're receiving payments for goods and services, they're going to make sure that it is being reported to the IRS. So this is the way that it works. If at any point throughout the year, your goods and services of payments received is $600 or more, a 1099-K will be sent to the IRS as well as to you. It's just letting the IRS know that, hey, this person has received over $600 in payment, and the IRS wants to make sure that you are reporting it on your taxes. Now, previously in the past, it used to be 200 transactions, and those 200 transactions had to total a minimum of $20,000 in order for it to be sent to the IRS. Now the threshold is 0 transactions. It's not about a number. It could be one transaction, right? But if you make 600 or more, it has to be reported. Now, if you all have been rocking and rolling with His or Her Money, you should be paying your taxes.
Come on.
So this should not be affecting
Integrity.
you. You should be reporting those transactions anyway, regardless if a 1099 was sent or not. You should be reporting them. If you guys watched our previous video that we put out, if not, you should watch it. It's fourth quarter business moves that you should be making. One of those business moves is making sure that you keep good records. That means good reports.
Now, before we get to a very important question that many of you all have about this new law, we want to let you know about today's show sponsor, and that is Legal & General America. You all know that we are big proponents of doing the right thing financially, and that does include things like saving and budgeting and getting out of debt, but it also includes taking care of your family in the event that you're no longer here. And the only way that we recommend that is through term life insurance.
Right.
And we are big fans of Legal & General America. They have awesome customer service. They have the availability for you to get a quote totally free, no strings attached, just so you can know exactly what it would cost for you to be covered. We want you to be covered. We want you to be proactive. We've always taught you that when it comes to building wealth, you got to play offense and defense. So do yourself a favor, and at the very least, get a free quote by going to hisandhermoney.com/LGA.
The links will also be in the description box below.
Now, we know the number one question that you all have is, well, how will they know if this is a business transaction or if somebody's just reimbursing me? Well, the truth of the matter is they don't have a lot of regulation around that. The law states that it will be on you. The burden will be on you, the receiver of the income, to justify whether or not this was a business transaction or a personal transaction.
That's right. So 2 terms that you need to keep in mind: taxable transactions, which is payment for goods and services that you received, or non-taxable, such as if you're sitting at a dinner table, out with some friends, and we all are splitting the bill. And so people are going to cash at me or PayPal me or Venmo me their portion of the payment. I do not have to report that on my taxes. So it is going to be probably an honesty policy. But if we were you, we would make sure that, again, that you are keeping good records, good books, and that you are being honest. Pay your taxes on taxable income.
Now, you may also ask the question, well, how will they know about my Cash App? How will they know about my Apple Pay? How the government gonna know? Real simple. Because now all these third-party companies are required.
Yes, fair.
As soon as you hit that $600 threshold, you are now guaranteed at the end of the year, a 1099-K will be sent to you and the government. So yes, they will know.
That's right. As well as these third-party apps can ask you for further information. They may ask for your business tax ID number. If they see that you're getting transactions and things like that, they may actually reach out to you and ask you for these things in order for you to continue to use their apps. Now, you guys, using these apps have made our lives completely convenient.
Absolutely.
Again, we use them personally. I don't think there's probably a week that goes by, or maybe a month that goes by. I'll say that, where we're not using one of these apps. No, I'll take that back. A week. Yeah. Because we actually use it for our business.
Yes.
Maybe daily.
Yeah.
And so that's why we want to make sure that we're bringing this information to you guys so you all can be prepared. Now, we want you to do something. Leave us a comment in the comment section below. Let us know, what are your thoughts about this new bill, this new law that's coming into effect January 1st, 2022. Yep. What do you think about it? For us, we've been paying our taxes anyway. We've been reporting them anyway. So it's really no big deal, but we want to hear from you. Also, don't forget, share this video. A lot of your friends and family, they're probably using these third-party apps, and they need to be made aware as well of these new changes that will be coming up. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with any and all new videos.
That's all we got for this time, guys. It's been great. Till next time. Peace.
Bye, y'all.